German tanks, or panzers, were central to the Blitzkrieg strategy that defined Nazi Germany's early successes in World War II. Early models like the Panzer I and II were lightly armed and primarily used for training and reconnaissance during the invasions of Poland and France. As the war progressed, the Panzer III and I-4 became the mainstay of German armored forces, with the Panzer IV proving particularly versatile and effective throughout the conflict. In response to the superior Soviet T-34, Germany developed the Panther tank, which featured advanced sloped armor, a powerful 75mm gun, and sophisticated optics, though it was plagued by mechanical issues. The Tiger I and later the Tiger II, or King Tiger, were heavy tanks known for their thick armor and devastating 88mm guns, making them formidable on the battlefield, but difficult and expensive to produce. The Sturmgeschütz III, originally designed as an assault gun, became one of the most produced German armored vehicles due to its effectiveness as a tank destroyer and lower production costs. Despite their technological advancements, German tanks were often over-engineered, leading to production delays and limited numbers, which ultimately contributed to their downfall against the mass-produced tanks of the Allies and Soviets. German tank crews employed effective camouflage and ambush tactics, making even smaller numbers of tanks highly effective in defensive operations. However, as the war used Panther. The Soviets had prepared extensively, having learned of the German tanks, including thousands of T-34s. The ensuing battle was a brutal and grinding affair.